Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanel Alexandria, or I go by Chanel Shanice K Alexandria. The K stands for Kitty. Thank you so much, you guys, for coming to check out this video. I really do appreciate it. In this video, I will be showing you guys this awesome DIY craft that is like off the top of my head. And I kind of don't know where I'm going with it. I do, but I don't. But anyway, if you guys are new here to this channel, please subscribe. I really, ooh, excuse me. I would really appreciate it. And to those that have been to my channel already, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. And this is a new channel, so I want you guys to subscribe, please, darling. That would really mean a lot to me. So okay, you guys, let's get right into this. I have my Fiji film right here, which I will be using to take pictures of. So I'll be using my laptop to do the videoing with, and I have to wear my glasses because you can't see. All right, you guys, let's get started. Okay. So, what you guys, what you guys will need is some flowers. Let me get my hair together. Oh, also, you guys, I put another little table right here behind me, so that way when it's time for me to start gluing, I could just move it over this way. And I have my glue tongue twister. I have my glue gun hooked up and ready. Okay, so now you'll need your glue gun, glue sticks. I left these over here. Excuse me, you guys, for the extra cleavage. Glue sticks, flowers, Xacto knife, scissors. Yeah, you can use and you can use a knife if you want to, but just really be careful, please. Some lettering. I have two different types. I have the ones that is like cursive kind of like, and I have ones that are just bold. And you will need a board like this, and it's not fairly thick at all, but it is good and trusty enough, darling. Alright, you guys. So, now, I asked you guys. Also, you'll need duct tape. You'll need duct tape too. Because I told you, I'm in the midst of this. Let me get the duct tape right back. Okay, you guys. So, on Twitter and on Instagram, and on WordPress, I asked you guys what color would be the best for the background of this all, and I chose the black, pink, green, and white for you guys to choose from, and we got the most votes with this. These three colors. So it's still kind of wicked which one I really want to do, but you guys, I think I'm going to have to go with the pink. Only simply because, well, the green is too light for this, and I don't think the black would be really like pleasing to the eye of like how I'm going about want to do this. So I think we're gonna go with the pink. Now, the pink and the black was the most voted, and my twin off gate, he said pink, but I think that he would have anyway with pink, because my whole entire room is pink, and he knows that I really like pink. Even my bathroom was pink. Like, usually my bathroom always stays pink, but anyway, enough about that. So yes, you guys, so get your little board ready and begin duct taping it all the way across, and all the details will be at the bottom in my description box below. Make sure that it's lined up really well, so that way you won't have to what some of us black folk call it, niggerig it. Okay, you guys, so all the way through, your board should look like this, all the way up. And you can pick any color you want to. And the theme that we're going to be going with, well, not more or less a theme. It's what this sign will say. I will be spelling out number 5, Chanel Paris. And I'm hoping that I have all my letters. Because I did go and purchase some more for my other craft that I had. So hopefully I have enough letters. But if you don't, I'm sure you know where Michael's is in your area. If you don't, Google it. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to cut on my film right fast. And I'm going to take a picture of this. Because this will be going on my WordPress as well, step by step. So that you guys... Nope, nope, nope. Don't like that one. All right. And that one we can dump in the trash. All right, you guys. So, let's get to taping it up, baby. The best way to do this, you guys, is just tape it all the way across with your ends out. And just keep going and going and going. And then come back and then tuck it underneath. But if you want tape on the back, you can do that as well. But just cut it right at the end. So that way you won't have to worry about looping it over like this. And making it look messy on the front. You know what I mean? So, let's continue on. You guys, overlap just a little bit, not too much. You don't want it to look sloppy. Okay, you guys, we made it all the way to the top. And I was hoping and praying that we would because I did not want to crack open a whole another pink pack. Like, I really, like, yeah, I was not planning on that. So I'm not going to be putting any tape on the back part of mine. I just only want my front part of it done. Make sure you secure it down really good, you guys. Okay, you guys, that's it. Ooh, pretty. So, gonna take a picture of this one. Then we're going to continue on. Alrighty. Okay, you guys. Now, it is time for, you can either do your lettering or you can do your flowers. But I am gonna go ahead on. I think I go with the lettering. I think I go with the flowers, you guys. I'm gonna go with the flowers. So that means that it is time for the glue gun. So you guys, get your glue gun and everything set up, or if you already have it set up, good. Okay, so where I'm going to put my flowers will be in the corners. So all you have to do is take the little end piece and just pop that right off like that. So take all your little stems off. I'm gonna do one in each corner. And then these little things right here actually don't come off as easy as those. So what I'll have to do with those is just cut them. And I'm going to be cutting all of these just in case I want to use them in other places besides just in the corners along with the flowers. Make sure you cut it down a little bit some if you have flowers that have these little things on them. So that way you'll have, room to stick it down into the board. Okay, so I'm going to move all of this out the way. And now what I'm going to be doing is taking off the leaves because I am going to use these as well.